Hi everyone, how are you? If my sounds don't sound right, if my angle is a little weird, it's because I've had to move into the house. It is freaking hot outside. Um, just wanted to let you know it just is. Here's what the graph of my studio temperature looks like. The high has been 104. The low over the past 7 days has only been 82. That's at the coolest part of the day. Way in the early morning, it's been 82 for the last week. It's been horrible out there, and so I'm not out there. I decided after postponing and postponing and postponing going out to draw because it was too hot. I thought, well, I'll just bring all my, well, not all my stuff. I'll bring some stuff in the house. And then what happened is my phone that I usually look up my stuff on. This is my daily phone, but the one I usually show you guys, this one, well, I noticed that the back was a little puffy, and when I opened it up, look what has happened to my battery. Can you see that bulge? That is not what a battery should look like. It is that 100-degree days over many days of this phone sitting out there in the studio. It has exploded my battery. So I got to get a new battery for this phone because this is where I store my that's where I have my accounts for Pinterest and Instagram on that phone. I don't want to add it to this phone because I want to keep my business or my YouTube stuff separate from my personal stuff, so I don't want to stick it on this phone. So anyway, long story short, we're just going to wing it for the next couple of days. I was inspired by this picture on Pinterest, which I don't know where it doesn't actually show where it's from other than somebody's notebook. But I was inspired by this one, which is basically to take a scribble and do an aura inside each space. I'm going to do that today because I'm a bit frustrated with finding my battery exploded and stuff. So I'm going to do a piece of black paper. I brought myself an orange pen because isn't that fun on black? I have to get my pen working here because the gel pens don't always work. I'm going to give myself a space to work in here, and then I'm just going to go for it. Just going to give myself some scribbles. What about that? Is that good enough? I think theirs was very much more intricate, but I think that is enough spaces. I'm just going to go like that. And then inside this, we're just going to make auras. Just going to start in this corner, make sure that you guys can see. And I'm just going to aura this shape. Each and every one of these. And that's all I'm going to do. Just like that. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I don't know if you can. Don't like this setup. I can't really see my screen. I don't know what you guys are really seeing. And it's a bit like doing a little bit like doing near graphic art, but not really. It's certainly easy to do. Working on a project that I'd like to try upcoming. But once again, I need some time where it's not blazing hot outside. So who knows when I'll be able to do this project. I have it in my head. I'm very interested in trying it, but yeah. So as I said on my quick video from the other day, I am changing my upload schedule for a little while. The heat out in my shed has caused me to, in my studio, has caused me to postpone doing some drawing for quite a few days. My continuing recovery from having COVID has made me really tired. I feel better. My congestion is finally gone. It took about 4 weeks to actually get rid of all the congestion. And I still occasionally feel a little bit congested, but I feel way better than I did. And I probably sound better than I did on the last video I recorded. But I don't even now at this point even remember when I recorded the last video because it's been so long. It's been a ridiculous amount of time. I think it's been 2 weeks again. I don't know. I don't even remember at this point. I am so far behind. I cannot keep track of what's going on with life, with my health, with things. So, I decided I'm going to give myself a break for a month and just go down to 2 videos a week instead of 3. And we'll see what happens. We'll see how long that stays. I'm anticipating it just being 2 videos a week for about a month or so, maybe just a little longer, maybe for the last bit of August, which I think is when this is going up, and then into September. But I don't know. I may end up being permanent. I haven't decided yet. We will decide as the month goes on. So I'm going to change it to Mondays and Thursdays if you hadn't heard from that other video. That other video would have gone up yesterday. I'm gonna make it come up on the day before this one goes live, whatever day that is. I don't even know. I don't have my schedule with me. I just know I can't do it. I just really just can't do it anymore right now. So in order to just not stop altogether, because I don't want to stop, I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait out the storm of the excessive heat. And I may have to decide that that's what I'm going to have to do moving forward for summer times next year too. And just kind of wait out the heat. Because, boy, it's just been too hot. When it's so hot that it explodes your battery. This just surprises me. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that bulge? That should be flat. You shouldn't see this. Anyway, I need to order myself a new battery so I can use my Pinterest and Instagram accounts. Like I said, I don't really post on my personal Instagram. I only post on my YouTube Instagram account, my Draw Tangles with Dawn account. So I only use Instagram on my personal account to just watch what others do I mostly keep track of my family, the younger generation. I'm an old one, you know. The younger generation has moved along from Facebook and have gone to Instagram instead, which I don't really understand, but that's okay. Whatever. Wherever they go is where I follow, but I don't always use it. I just do it to follow their stuff. Now, a few of them have been very nice to us old folk and have set up their Instagram to automatically post to their Facebook. So they don't ever go in their Facebook anymore, but they use Instagram to post to their Facebook, and that is helpful to me because then I can see what the kiddos are doing. And when I say kiddos, I mean my eldest niece is 40. She's not exactly a kiddo, but she has a kid herself who's my oldest grandniece is just starting high school this year. So she's not exactly a youngster, but I think of her as a kid still. All right, I don't know what I'm going to call this. It's just an aura. That's just all it is. But it's a good one to get me started, to get back into the swing of things, because I honestly have not drawn anything in I know it's been over a week. I think it's been 2 weeks. I don't even know. But I can't wait for the weather to get better. Bring some stuff in the house. My angles are weird. I'm trying to trip. I'm trying really hard not to knock over the tripod because it's under my feet. One leg of it has to be between my legs so I can get the camera close enough to me. It's just uncomfortable and awkward. But I'm going to try it for the next couple of videos. I'm going to do as many videos as I can today. But yeah, I don't have a device to show you what I'm doing. So we will just make do with things we already know how to do. That's going to be my thing. Why not? I'll see you on the next video. We'll do a pattern that we already know how to do. Maybe I'll do another paradox because I love paradox. Maybe I'll do a paradox. Maybe I'll do a membrane art. Love membrane art as well. Do something like that. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video, whenever that is. I think this is a Monday video. I'm pretty sure this is a Monday video, which means I'll see you on Thursday. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I'm doing my best. Gosh darn it, I really am. I'm doing my best. Life has been difficult. But anyway, make a comment down below to let me know if you love or hate or upset with me. That's fine. I'm still going to do what I'm going to do. But, comment down below. Let me know. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.